No camera. No crew. No problem. Turn texts into professional videos with AI-generated avatars and voices. Try Heygen for free. Your video production costs too much. Say goodbye to expensive equipment, inconsistent actors, complex editing tools and third-party teams. How it works. Choose from 300+ voices available in 40+ languages. Use cases. Produce engaging and concise product videos. Craft captivating product releases, updates, and explainer videos that captivate your audience from start to finish. Supercharge your content calendar with videos. Craft compelling content through videos, articles, and social media to communicate your brand's value, connect with your audience, and drive traffic. Create personalized outreach videos at scale. Elevate your outreach game with compelling and tailored video content that sets your SDRs up for success in their efforts to drive growth and revenue. Create training videos your team will actually watch. Create professional videos without mics, cameras, or actors. Use AI avatars for high-quality content in 40+ languages. Features. Avatars. Pick your perfect AI avatar. 100+ AI avatars covering different ethnicities, ages, poses and clothes. Studio avatar. A professional-grade avatar for diverse applications. Voices. Choose from a collection of high-quality voices or get a custom voice that matches your avatar. 300+ voices. 40+ languages. Integrations. Using Heygen couldn't be easier. Streamline your video creation process from your favorite platform. AI safety. At Heygen, security isn't just a consideration, it's a commitment. That's why we're proud to be SOC 2 compliant, an industry standard for data protection. Our AI video platform is built with your privacy and protection in mind, so you can trust us with your valuable data. SOC 2 compliant. We're certified. Independent audits have validated our trustworthy data handling systems and processes. Your data, protected. Our dedicated trust and safety team ensures your data is secure and our AI is used ethically. Safe content, our priority. We employ a mix of human and AI oversight to keep our communities safe from harmful content. Championing responsible AI. We work hand in hand with regulators to help shape robust and effective AI policies. Teams love us. 12130 Millennium Drive, Suite 300, Los Angeles, California, 90094.